Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate in personal capital for retirement tracking, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate in personal capital for retirement tracking, begin by visiting the Personal Capital website. Locate the Sign In button on the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address associated with your personal capital account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you will receive a code on your registered mobile device. Check your mobile device for the authentication code. Enter the code into the provided field on the login page. Once all your credentials are entered, click the Sign In button. After a successful login, you will be taken to your personal capital dashboard. Here, you can access various financial tools and resources for retirement tracking. If you are a new user, click on Get Started to create a new account. Fill in the necessary information, such as your name and email address. Create a secure password for your new account. You may also be asked to verify your email address through a confirmation link sent to your inbox. Once your email is verified, log in using the email and password you just created. Complete the setup by linking your financial accounts for accurate tracking. Follow the prompts to input your bank details securely. Now, you are ready to start tracking your retirement savings and financial goals. Explore the different features available to enhance your retirement planning experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.